Welcome to Kramer Mazda. My name is Jacob and this is Derek, and today we'll be walking you around the all-new, fully redesigned 2024 Mazda CX-90. Everything from the powertrain to the platform has been fully redesigned to give our customers a luxurious experience within Mazda.
The Mazda CX-90 is the ultimate expression of Mazda's total soul of motion design. Featuring the all-new rear-wheel drive platform, we're able to achieve a long hood and short overhang, indicative of a traditional sports car. It is paired with our proprietary high-performance iActive all-wheel drive system, transcending the driving experience, where man and machine feels as one.
Powering the new CX-90 is the all-new eSkyActiv G 3.3-liter turbo inline-6 engine with M-Hybrid boost. This is the most powerful production engine ever built by Mazda, with 340 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque. The new powertrain is sure to excite drivers with an exceptionally engaging, smooth driving experience, all while achieving an astonishing 8.4 liters per 100 kilometers on the highway.
Moving inside, you will find a beautifully designed and spacious cabin with seating options for up to 8 people, offering flexibility for varying lifestyles. Folding the rear seats down, the space becomes exponentially larger. Those who enjoy longer road trips, the CX-90 offers plenty of space for all your luggage and gears. The moment you step into the car, you will be greeted with an upscale cabin design, featuring luxurious materials with supple Nappa leather, genuine maple wood trim, and a fabric dash highlighted by the traditional Japanese hand-weaving technique, Nishijin Ori. We invite you to come and visit us today at Kramer Mazda to experience the thrill of driving the all-new 2024 Mazda CX-90.